Regarding the noon, that means our time. So here the kanji like that, a stroke of that kanji. Or both is okay. So here sound like that, go. Sound like that, go. So if you write here, sometimes like that. Go. So what sound and meaning? So what in that case of? So here go go. That means afternoon. Go go. So here kanji. So go go afternoon. Go go afternoon. Go zen. That means morning. So go. Go zen morning. Go zen morning. So here is go go easy. Go go go. So how to write go? There's go go ni z. Z means this is the time. So z. So go go ni z. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Go go ni z. 2 o'clock in the afternoon.